Hello friends, this is Father Frank PAvone, National Director of Priests for Life. We have heard again from the courts about our case against the HHS mandate, which has been in the nation's second highest court, the Court of Appeals for the Washington, D.C. Circuit. They ruled against us in November after the case was heard by a 3-judge panel, which is the usual process. And then our option was to appeal directly to the Supreme Court at that time, or to ask the Court of Appeals to rehear the case not in front of a 3-judge panel, but in front of the entire body of judges. And so we took that second option. They took some months to decide, but then we just heard here at the end of May from the court that they did not want to rehear the case in front of the full panel of judges. So now what we are doing is going to the Supreme Court. Priests for Life was one of the very first organizations to challenge the HHS mandate in court. We introduced our lawsuit back in February of 2012, right around the same time that EWTN introduced theirs as well. In the opinion that the court gave us just last week, it was a marvelous dissent from 3 justices dissented from the decision. They thought the case should be heard again and that we would prevail. And particularly, Judge Janice Rogers Brown issued a marvelous dissent, which I really want to encourage you to read. These documents and all the news and developments about our case can be found at the special website istandwithpfl.com. Judge Brown expresses our arguments as well as I've seen them expressed anywhere else in any of these court opinions. And she says this: the crux of the matter is this: it is not the authority or competence of the government to scrutinize our religious beliefs or those of any believer. The government can't come in and say, well, we're not going to let you exercise your religious beliefs because we think those beliefs are ridiculous. Well, it's okay for the government to think our beliefs are ridiculous, as long as it protects our freedom to believe and our freedom to live out those beliefs. And this is at the crux of our case. It burdens our religious freedom to have to conduct our business in such a way that, according to our faith, according to our convictions, involves us in the facilitation of evil actions, particularly actions that take human lives at their very beginning. So we're going to continue to argue this case. We have 90 days to file with the Supreme Court, and our attorneys are working very hard right now to prepare those documents, and we will keep you posted about developments. But go to istandwithpfl.com because you'll also find there some prayers that you can join us in saying every day for the reversal of this HHS mandate and for the growth of religious freedom throughout our nation and around the world. God bless you.